Welcome back to the Netherlands.
Hi.
Can we...
How's
wait,
Tatay?
He's healthier than I expected.
Healthier than you expected, huh?
Healthier than I expected.
Oh,
Ayun,
apple of his
as
eyes.
usual, he sends his warm regards to everyone, to the supporters for, of course, the unwavering love and support.
Yes.
And for the family, sends his love, his pure love to everyone.
Meron ba siyang kanang... did you hear about the situation that he was rushed to the hospital?
Yes, but he is okay. It's just the, his routine checkups.
Routine.
Okay, I see.
Because,
Thank you for clarification.
as you all know, he is old and not exactly in the best shape, but he's okay. Actually, I expected him to be more frail, but he's not. He's doing well. He's even better as compared to the first few weeks inside.
Okay.
He sounded more lively, more
Yes.
sharp, and ayun.
How did you feel that he didn't have any family visit for 2 weeks?
He was looking for my mother for so many times, and I had to explain to him the situation, and he understood, of course. But ayun, he was constantly reminding me to do something about it, and I reassured him that we're doing our best. But as of now, I'll be the one who will be visiting him inside. Yes.
We're having a prayer rally for Tatay Digong tonight. I hope you can join us.
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
Ano lang kasi I'm busy with my studies
Yes,
also. So
okay.
let me just finish everything, and I will be there tonight. I cannot promise that I'll be early, but
Sure.
I will try, of course, to
We'll be there.
pass by. Yes.
Kit, last question lang talaga. What's the biggest difference from the last time you visited him and right now?
I'll be honest with you, not much. I was so worried when I was in the Philippines. I was so worried that when I've been asking my siblings and the lawyers, can you tell me what to expect? Should I expect a thinner dada, a thinner papa? They kept reassuring me na he's doing good, there's no difference. And when I saw him inside, ayun nga, they were right. The only difference is he now has a long beard. It's color white, and he does have white colored eyebrows now. And ayun, but his hair, ayun, maarte kasi yun. So meron siyang siguro weekly hair dye. So ayun pa rin.
Excellent.
Hindi na siya pure black, may pagka blonde siya. So yes.
Kit, also last question. Importante kasi ito kasi this is a very big victory for the entire Filipino people. Alam niya ba na nanalo with respect to Supreme Court?
Yes, and he's
Si Vicky
very
Inday
happy
Sara.
about it. He sends his regards to my sister, and he told her that he is extremely proud of her.
Did you know na it was a unanimous Supreme Court decision?
Yes, he knows about all of that. And he also knows na, ayun, continuous pa rin yung rotation of visits namin dito, pupunta sila. So, and excited siya kasi,
You're here.
Exactly.
Ako muna, of course, for now, and
You look so
ayun.
beautiful, Kitty,
Thank
actually.
you.
I'm sorry guys, you really have to go.
One more question, very last lang, Kitty. What was the first question na tinanong niya sa'yo when she saw you? When he saw you, sorry.
Actually, it wasn't a question. He said, ang laki ko na daw. He did in a way na
A woman,
lumapad ako,
yeah.
but I think he
You grew taller.
thinks that I'm taller now. Maybe it's because of the slippers I'm wearing, but kasi he was wearing flat slippers, so I think this added to my height. But ayun, he was surprised to see me. Sobrang tangkad ko na, almost his height. Kasi ako yung pinakamaliit sa amin, but he was happy to see na I was growing. I mean, I'm not growing anymore, but that's
He
what
knows
thought.
you're here 4 times a week for him.
Yes.
Kitty, welcome back to the Netherlands.
Thank
It's good
you
to
so
see you.
much.
And see you later, ha?
Yes, thank you.
Mabuhay ka,
Bye.
Kitty.